Today, I come to you with bad news. And that bad news is you will probably lose money in crypto. In fact, a Barrons report says 3 out of 4 Bitcoin investors have lost money. Now, how is this possible, considering Bitcoin is the greatest performing asset of our lives? Since Bitcoin's inception 15 years ago, Bitcoin has returned millions of percent. In just 2023, it jumped 155%. In 2024, it's up 43%. And that's just Bitcoin. I know you guys have altcoins, and altcoins are way more volatile than Bitcoin. Way many more people lose money in altcoins than Bitcoin. In fact, you might be down in crypto right now. You might even be down since the start of November, when crypto has only gone straight up. Well, the truth is, the vast majority of people make easily avoidable mistakes. And there's just a few winners that make a ton of money. So in this video, we're going to cover easily avoidable mistakes that you are currently probably making that can save you a lot of money. Now, nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm just a random guy on the internet, but I'm going to tell you what I do to avoid buying crappy coins and multiplying my gains. The first major mistake that new traders do is that they focus on the price of a coin. They see something like, oh, Cardano. Cardano is only $1.21. Bitcoin is 100K. Can you imagine when a Cardano goes to 100K? Cardano has so much potential. But the truth is, the price of the coin is totally irrelevant. You do not want to look at the price of the coin. Instead, you want to look at the market cap, this number right here. And if you're really fancy, you can look at the fully diluted valuation. But let's keep it simple for now. Let's just look at market cap. The bigger the market cap, the less potential it has. Conversely, the smaller the market cap, the more potential it has. So Bitcoin has a market cap of almost $2 trillion. Now that's very, very big. Well, I mean, it depends what you compare it to. But compared to other cryptocurrencies, that is the biggest by so far. So compared to other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin does not have a lot of potential. In fact, many crypto traders consider Bitcoin to be the lowest reward coin. And they say that you should never buy Bitcoin, and you should always try to outperform Bitcoin with other coins. Now, I'm not saying that's true. I'm not saying that's false. That's just one possible outlook. Coins with a market cap over 10 billion, I would consider as having low risk, low reward. Coins with a market cap of 1 billion to 10 billion, I would consider as moderate risk, moderate reward. And coins with a market cap under 1 billion, I would consider high risk, high reward. So that is the very first point I want to make. Look at the market cap of a coin, not the price of the coin. And if you're not sure where to find it, there's this amazing site called CoinGecko. It's totally free. You head over to CoinGecko, type in the coin you want, select it, and then you can view its market cap very easily. The second pitfall many new traders fall into is quite simply buying crap. They buy garbage coins. I know you guys have at some point bought garbage crap coins that have only gone down. You've lost a lot of money. And here is the easy way to avoid it. Actually, maybe you've even bought scam coins, but here is the easiest way to avoid it. Again, we're just going to go to market cap. Check out this market cap. This market cap is under 1 million right now. This is an immediate red flag. You want to avoid coins with really, really tiny market caps. So if you look at the market cap rank, this is the almost 4,000th most popular cryptocurrency. That is way too risky. This will not do well because it's just such a tiny market cap. This is likely to go to zero. This could be a scam for all I know. If we come down and look at its price performance, sure, maybe it does really, really good in the short term, and maybe you got a successful gamble and you sold, but most likely you will lose money in these kinds of coins. Avoid these kinds of coins. If you want to be safe, stay within the top 100 most popular coins. If you're okay with taking on a little bit more risk, feel free to go to the top 200, maybe even top 300. But if it's outside of the top 500, that should be an immediate red flag, immediate no, especially if you're new. Maybe if you're very experienced, you can do really good in-depth research, get to know a team really, really well, get to know the project and technology well, and have this strong conviction that it will eventually do well. But unless you're a veteran, you should absolutely not leave the top 500, probably top 300. And if you're a total newbie, stay within the top 100. So that's my second point. Stop buying crap coins. Now, my third and final point is the most technical, but this is going to save you in so many situations. So what you can do is you can head over to a coin. Let's say you're interested in this coin. Let's say MOG, right? I love this coin. This is my biggest meme coin holding. It's doing really well today. What you can do is you can head over to where it says market cap. Go to the right, and you're going to see this tiny little arrow right here. If you click it, you're going to see this ratio. This evaluates the supply side tokenomics of a coin. You want a ratio as close to 1.0 as you can get. This suggests the coin has very healthy tokenomics and is not going to have lots of selling pressure from insiders or VCs and stuff like that. If this ratio is 0.2 or 0.3 or 0.4, something really, really low, that means there will be way too much selling pressure, and this coin is going to have a lot of difficulty gaining in price. One such coin is Jupiter, a DEX on Solana. You will see that this market cap over FDV is 0.14. This is really low. And then if we take a look at its price history, since its inception, we can see that it has basically gone sideways the whole time. It had this beginning hype wave, then it crashed down, and it's been doing a little bit better now that, everything is going up, and it is still really, really struggling. You can see since the beginning, there's been no obvious pump. It's just sideways. So this is an example of lots of selling pressure. This coin is having trouble gaining in price. Before we conclude, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, but that's not actually what I was going to say. Before we conclude, there is one more thing I want to say. I know I said the last thing was going to be the last thing, but it should go without saying, but know what your coin does. Before you buy a coin, you should know what is its purpose. If your favorite coin is, let's say, XRP, you should be able to answer, what is the purpose of XRP? Do you know? Because if not, then you should not be holding XRP. You need to know what your coin is and what your coin does. If you don't know, if you're trading based on intuition, or you saw some guy in a YouTube video tell you it's a good coin, trust me, you're not going to have the strength to stomach the volatility. It'll swing down, you'll get scared, and you'll sell it. Or it'll swing down, a different influencer will tell you, oh, this coin's garbage. And you'll be like, oh, I'm an idiot. And then you'll sell it. And then it'll go back up because maybe it wasn't garbage. But you don't know. That's the point. So you should know at all times the purpose of your coin. What does your coin do? You should know its market cap, or, roughly. You should know different stats about it. Otherwise, you will not have the strength to stomach the volatility, and you won't know if it's even a good coin. So that about wraps up everything I was going to say. Stop buying garbage. Stop trading based on price. Look at market cap. Stop buying high risk, low market cap coins. Again, similar to garbage. Know what you're buying, and make sure to look at the market cap over FDV ratio so that you can tell, are there lots of insiders? Is there some crazy emission schedule so that airdrop farmers are going to be dumping on you? Because you should know that. Anyway, I'll quit yapping. I do one-on-one calls on my website, link in the description. Head over to that. Make sure to join the Discord. I have a deal with Gemini that if you use the link in the description, create an account, and trade $100, you'll get $10 deposited into your account for free. So do that. Takes a few minutes. You make $10 free, and it supports the channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.